Welcome to Kitchen Karma. In this video I'll show you how to make carrot halwa. For this we need 2 carrots. These are big carrots, and later on I'm going to grate to make it 1 cup. This is milk. I'm using lactose free milk. You can use any milk. So this is 1 cup measure. This is food color. It is red. This is optional if you want to use. I'm going to use 1/3 teaspoon. This is jaggery. Another option is white sugar. I have taken 1/4 cup measure. This is oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any other oil too. Use about 1 tablespoon. This is baking powder. This is also optional, and I have taken 1/3 teaspoon of it. So I'm grating carrot. So I have to grate and measure it to 1 cup. So we need a big and thick pan to make carrot halwa. So I have put this on medium heat. I'm going to pour the oil. So let it heat up for like some seconds. So now I'm putting carrot into the pan. So I'm going to mix carrot with the oil and heat up a little bit so that this carrot comes to the room temperature, warms up. So now the carrots are like warmer than before, so I'm going to put milk into this. And jaggery also. So I'm going to mix it. So jaggery has to melt, and we have to keep stirring until it becomes thicker. So this is a special dessert from India, and I used to like it when I was younger. Even now I like it. My children also like it. And it's made of vegetables, so it's quite nutritious and delicious. So we have to keep stirring, giving some break in between until it becomes thicker. So I'm going to put the color also, food color. So as you can see, it's becoming more red in color. Some people like sweets to be colorful and eye-catching, so it's an option to use food color. And usually carrots are okay by themselves, like they are orange in color, but it's more like inviting when it is more reddish in color. That's what I think. It's a personal opinion. So you can see this mixture has come to a boil now. It has to boil more so that the water content reduces, and you can see carrot is getting cooked. So it will take some more time until it becomes like thicker. Now you can see it's coming to some consistency. Now almost to the desired consistency, and it looks more red, and the carrot is getting cooked very well. As you can see, the liquid content has reduced, so I'm going to make it sim now. I'm going to put the baking powder now, so that this mixture becomes little lighter. So I'm going to mix it. As you can see, there is no liquid content now, and it has turned out well, red and very inviting to eat. So I'll be transferring this to a bowl. Now I'll turn off the heat. So carrot halwa is ready. I'm going to just transfer. You can see it's very colorful. So carrot halwa is ready to eat. Thanks for watching.